Good morning, Gophers and Wolves. Happy Beach Day. I hope you get a chance to watch the chapel video from Pastor Tia and that you maybe get a chance to go outside even if you don't get a chance to go to the beach today. All right, let's start by reading our story, A Bride for Isaac. When Isaac grew up, his father Abraham wanted him to get married. Abraham told one of his servants, "Go to my homeland. There you will find the perfect bride for Isaac." So Abraham sent the servant on his way with 10 camels and a lot of jewelry and clothes. They were gifts for Isaac's new bride. The servant reached Abraham's homeland. He stopped by a well and prayed, "Dear God, please show me the woman you have chosen for Isaac. I will know she is the one if she offers water to me and my camels." Before he finished praying, a young woman with a jar walked towards the well. After she filled the jar, the servant asked her for a drink. She gave him a drink. Then she offered water to his camels. She was the answer to his prayers. Her name was Rebecca. The servant gave her the gifts, and they went to meet her father. The servant asked for his permission to take Rebecca to Isaac. Rebecca told the servant she would be happy to go. When Isaac saw Rebecca, he fell in love with her. Soon they got married. Isaac and Rebecca had twin boys named Esau and Jacob. All right, let's take a look at your map. Today's math lesson is perfectly fitting for beach day. It's working with a lot of sea animals and creatures and seashells. All right, what is in the sea? There are plants, fish, shells, and boats. What are some things you've seen in the sea? So today, you're going to cut all of these sea creatures out and you're going to get to glue them onto our chart or our bar graph. So this is called a sorting bar graph. It's your job to sort different things out and place them on the graph. So you're going to start at the bottom at 0 and work your way up with each object. So you're going to start with plants, then fish, shells, and boats. So they've labeled this graph. This is called In the Sea. Each of our graphs should have a label telling us what it's about, and this side part tells us the number of things. That's why we start at 0 at the bottom and work our way up. And at the bottom it tells us the things in the sea. That's why we have plants, fish, shells, and boats. So you're going to put all of your plants here, your fish, then your shells, then your boats, starting at the bottom and working your way up in the number. When we turn it over, we are going to fill in our graph at 0 from this side and working our way that direction. So you guys get to count the fish that you see in this little section of the sea. How many swordfish do you see? You can count them and put them here. How many puffer fish? How many, they look like little sardines, do you see? And how many purple fish do you see? So count the fish and color the rectangle to make a bar graph. You get to write the name of this graph. So this graph they called In the Sea. Now, you can name it whatever you like, but the name should make sense. So you wouldn't want to name this graph Pizza, but you could name it something related to the sea, like Fish Graph or Ocean Graph. Are both good ideas. You can come up with your own idea to put right there. All right, let's look at your phonics for today. This is called God's Treasure. We'll start with the verse. Now, therefore, if you will obey my voice indeed and keep my covenant, then ye shall be a parcel treasure unto me. Exodus 19:20. All right. We're going to circle the words that have a silent I in them. So, or not I, L, silent L. Some words when you read them, are going to have letters in there that we don't hear. So today we're working with silent L's. And our silent L's are normally going to come in the word right before a K. So we're going to have words like walk. Now I don't say walk, I say walk. You don't hear the L, so that's our silent L word. We have other silent L words as well. So, and he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me I am his own. There should be 2 silent L words that you find in those sentences. There are more examples down here. There's also the example that they have with silent L's before F. So let's start with these words. Which one of these words matches the picture? Walks, talks, or stalks? Which one is that a picture of? Then we have our silent L before an F. Calf or half? All right, you need to figure out which one of these words matches the picture, and then you can write it down. I will read you the words: bread, head, or thread. Remember to use nice handwriting using that dotted line to help you. Gold, scold, or told. Scroll, stroll, or roll. Remember, a scroll is something you write on. Stroll is walking slowly, and roll is something going around. We have tried, fried, or cried. Child, mild, or wild. Colt, jolt, or bolt. Chief, thief, or grief. Field, shield, and yield. Notice that these 2 sets of words, or 3 sets of words, have L's in them that are not silent. We just have our silent L's with these sets of words. All right, I hope you enjoy your beach day. And remember to watch the video from Pastor Tia.